Hi everybody, it's Claire here from My Creative Spirit, introducing the launch of our album class that will start tomorrow, 24th of April at 12 noon. It's a class that will be released in stages, and over the number of videos you'll be able to put this little album together using materials from your stash. So let me show you the project. It's an 8 1/4 by 8 1/4 square album with a 1.5 inch spine, and inside it's got 2 pages. My sample I've decorated in the Farmhouse collection from Graphic 45. This is a perfect little album to use up 8 by 8 paper pads. It didn't use the whole of an 8 by 8 pad, that was one that had 24 sheets, but you could make it out of 12 by 12 papers as well. So it's got the 2 pages. It's a mirrored album, so same on the inside covers, same on pages 1 and 4, and then those 2 fabulous centre pages. And we've got pockets, fold outs, some really interesting acetate fronted photo mats that will hold your photos or decorative paper. Pockets, we've got some paper clips, and we have got the ta-da page that my sister calls it, that lifts up for you to put your little bits and pieces and photos in. And then nice deep pockets with magnets, so you'll learn how to make magnetic closures and add them in different ways in the project, how to make the pop-up section or the ta-da section, how to build an album. You might be new to album making and looking for something simple to make a start on. This one is perfect for that. We've got some little acetate covered photo holders here on this page, pockets to pop your ephemera and photo mats in. I love this collection. I love the colours, I just think they go together beautifully. If you like it too, I'll put a link to all of the supplies that are available from our website down below. So if you're looking to source all of the products, you can do that by just looking in the description below the video. Another nice deep pocket here, and another, ta-da! I love it. And that's got a little pocket behind too, so if you want to add something behind there, perhaps a thinner tag than this one, then you can. And then another little fold out section at the back here with a little pocket to put, I've used an ephemera card, but you could put photos, and then deep pockets at the back. And again, we've got another one of those acetate covered photo mats, which are great, and then you can swap out your pictures, you're not sticking them in place, and you can make them as big or as small as you like. I show you how to make them in the 6 by 4 size, portrait and landscape. So a great little video class that you can follow in bite-sized chunks and fit in your day. So I hope you can join me. It's going to be a fun class, and I'm going to put the link to our Facebook page in the description below the video, so that when you've finished your album, if you take photos, you can follow the link and upload them to our Facebook page, because we'd love to see what you've made. So have fun. Do join me at 12 o'clock tomorrow for part 1, and that includes the full supply list, the full tool list, and cutting your chipboard covers and assembling them in 2 different ways. Enjoy, stay safe, and happy crafting.